From N5 to JLPT N4, this is lesson number 21. So today let's talk about this grammar pattern, ことがある, which means sometimes, not always. So ことがある means I don't do it all the time, but I do it sometimes. We use ことがある to say that an action happens sometimes, not always. So this is the grammar format. You can use dictionary form or nai form and then add ことがある. There is also another version こともある, but there is a slight difference in the nuance. So this is the difference between ことがある and こともある. ことがある means sometimes it happens. Just stating a fact that it happens sometimes. No comparison or contrast. So for example, trains are sometimes late. 電車が遅れることがあります。Trains can be late sometimes. But on the other hand, こともある means sometimes this also happens. Since more means also too, it means sometimes this also happens. So it often follows information about what is usually true. For example, I usually eat at home, but sometimes I eat out too. 普段は家で食べますが、外で食べることもあります。So, like this example, こともある often follows information about what is usually true. In this case, I usually eat at home. After this, こともある follows. So that's the difference between ことがある and こともある. So it really depends on the context. Now I will show you two examples. I sometimes go out for drinks with friends after work. 仕事の後で友達と飲みに行くことがあります。To go out for drinks is 飲みに行く and this is in the dictionary form. So use the dictionary form and then add ことがあります. There is no comparison, therefore ことがあります is okay. Next example. I usually go by train, but I sometimes go by bus too. 普段は電車で行きますが、バスで行くこともあります。This time, there is a comparison. So I usually do A, but sometimes I do B as well. Therefore, こともあります works better in this case. Now, I'd like you to do this exercise. Stop the video and translate the sentences. When you are ready, please come back. Now, the answers. Plans sometimes change. 予定は変わることがあります。変わる means to change and its dictionary form verb. So use this and then add ことがあります。ことがあります is used because there is no comparison. Next one. I usually eat bread in the morning, but I sometimes eat rice too. 朝はパンを食べますが、ご飯を食べることもあります。Now there is a comparison. I usually do A, but sometimes I also do B. Therefore, こともあります works better. Last one. On rainy days, I usually stay home, but I sometimes go out too. 雨の日は家にいますが、 出かけることもあります。Again, there is a comparison. I usually do A, but I do B as well. Therefore, こともあります works better. Now I will read the sentence, so please repeat after me. 予定は変わることがあります。朝はパンを食べますが、ご飯を食べることもあります。雨の日は家にいますが、出かけることもあります。Very good job. So lastly, I have this homework for you. Translate the sentences into Japanese and put your answers in the comments below. I will check and collect your homework. みんな今日もありがとう。I will see you again in the next lesson then. みんなまたね。バイバイ。